Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway tutorial how to install Roblox. I will show you step by step guide to do this. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and liking the video. So without any delay, let's start. If you want to install Roblox in your PC or laptop, then first method is you need to open any browser in your PC and in search bar type Roblox and press enter and open the official website of roblox.com. So click this roblox.com. Here is the official website, and in this link roblox.com and add slash and then download. After typing this URL roblox.com/download, then press enter. After this you press enter, then here you see this download page will be open, and here you download this Roblox software for your PC or laptop. Simply you need to click on this download now, and your downloading will be start. And here is the this save bar notification will be pop up. You simply save this and then double click on this install software and follow the procedure, and your Roblox software will be installed in your PC. So other method is if you want to install in this Roblox software in Windows version, for example Windows 10 version, simply go to search bar and in search bar type store and open this Microsoft Store. So after opening this Microsoft Store, in search bar type Roblox and press enter. After search, here is the first application, Roblox application. In this way you also install this Roblox software in your PC. Simply click on get and your software will be start installing in your PC. So in this way you also install this software in your PC. So this is the also way. And if you want to install this in your mobile, so simply open your mobile. After open your mobile, if your mobile is Android, simply open Play Store. After open Play Store, in search bar type Roblox. After typing Roblox, here is the Roblox application will be shown, and I already installed in my mobile, so that's why this play option shown. If you not install already in your mobile, then in here install option will be shown. After clicking on this button, you install this Roblox application in your mobile. And if you want to install this in your iPhone, so simply open your Apple Store in your mobile and download this application on Apple Store. So these are the method that you use to install Roblox software in your device. So if you have any query related to this problem, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So this is the video for today. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking the video and subscribing my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.